More news coming in. Union Minister Giriraj has now hit out at Congress's shirtless star. Says Rahul may come to Parliament in just underwear. That's what the BJP leader has said. The minister. Gandhi is becoming mentally unstable, says Giriraj Singh. Let's take a listen.
राहुल गांधी के ऊपर जो टिप्पणी असम के मुख्यमंत्री ने की कि वो पागलपन उन पे सवार है, मैं तो कहता हूं उनका ब्रेन मैपिंग होना चाहिए। मुझे डर लग रहा है कि अगला सत्र शुरू हो कहीं वो अंडरवियर गंजी में न पहुंच जाएं लोकसभा, मुझे डर लग रहा है।
Gautam continues to be with us. Of course, this has given ample opportunity to the BJP to hit out at the Congress, and this time, of course, against Rahul Gandhi, who is the leader of the opposition. Here, Giriraj Singh going after him. Rahul.
Well, obviously, what had happened on last Friday, it seems to have set a stage for a confrontation between BJP and Congress, and that's why you were seeing statements coming in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, from LOP Rahul Gandhi, now Union Minister Giriraj Singh. See, we have to understand that Congress had decided that they are not going to back down, they're not going to bunch inch as far as this issue is concerned, because obviously then it would reflect very poorly upon them. Many of their allies have already distanced themselves, saying that the selection of venue could have been much better. That's what they are saying, specifically like parties like TMC, RJD, Samajwadi Party. So clearly it seems that at least the top brass of Congress Party, they have decided that they're going to stand with the Congress workers, and in that same spirit we saw yesterday as many as 6 young MPs, they came out, they held a press conference, they accused Delhi police of harassing Congress workers, saying that not just the Congress workers, in fact, their relatives, their parents are also being harassed in the name of the investigation. Now, since Uday Banerjee have all been taken for questioning I beg your pardon, for a court hearing. Now, given the fact that since yesterday he was in custody, he was questioned for almost 20 hours, and now around 4:30 this morning he was officially arrested. Now, Congress MPs, Congress leaders are saying that this is nothing but an act of intimidation that has happened at the behest of the BJP. So clearly expect that both parties would be trading these barbs more frequently now, given the fact that now Youth Congress chief has been officially arrested. And you would also be seeing a mobilization happening, not just in the national capital, but all across the country, given the fact that Rahul Gandhi himself has said that we're going to stand with these workers, these Youth Congress workers, and what they did was not a matter of shame. In fact, he is accusing that the Indo-US trade deal is something that Prime Minister Narendra Modi should be shameful of. So, it's another round of face-off between BJP and Congress, and this is only going to escalate. As we speak, we've been informed that the Congress leaders are deliberating upon a strategy for the future course of the action. Rahul Gandhi is not in the national capital. He'll be attending a Kisan rally in Bhopal along with Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge. But the strategists, or you can say the floor managers of the Congress Party, or the senior members of the Congress Party, at this point of time, they are trying to chalk out a strategy to corner the government. One thing is very clear, Sneha, that no matter what, the Congress is not going to desert, its Congress workers or its party workers, and expect that they're only going to push it back and going to accelerate or going to escalate the heat against the incumbent government on issues like Epstein files, on Indo-US trade deal, and other matters.
Well, absolutely, and that's the reason why they refrain from the Congress here. But they keep saying that the Prime Minister is compromised, is what the Congress says. Leaving it at that for the moment, Rahul getting in those details. We'll, of course, keep coming back to you for more on that big developing story.
राहुल गांधी के ऊपर जो टिप्पणी असम के मुख्यमंत्री ने की कि वो पागलपन उन पे सवार है, मैं तो कहता हूं उनका ब्रेन मैपिंग होना चाहिए। मुझे डर लग रहा है कि अगला सत्र शुरू हो कहीं वो अंडरबियर गंजी में न पहुंच जाए लोकसभा, मुझे डर लग रहा है।
Okay, that's the kind of political discourse that we are listening to at this point in time. I'm afraid that's what Giriraj Singh has said, that Rahul Gandhi may turn up in his underwear. That's what he said. He may just come to parliament in his underwear. That's Giriraj Singh against Rahul Gandhi, the leader of the opposition, who says that he believes that Rahul Gandhi needs help. That's what he's saying. That's a statement that has been made by the senior leader of the Bharatiya Janata Party. And of course, the Congress is backing Uday Bhanu and the other youth Congress workers. Rahul Gandhi praised Uday and other workers, calling them Babbar Sher. Listen in.
हम देश की रक्षा करते हैं, हम किसानों की रक्षा करते हैं, हम मजदूरों की रक्षा करते हैं, स्मॉल एंड मीडियम इंडस्ट्री की रक्षा करते हैं और देश की डेटा की रक्षा करते हैं। हम संविधान के लिए लड़ रहे हैं। कांग्रेस पार्टी के बब्बर शेरों कार्यकर्ताओं, आपको डरना नहीं है, एक कदम पीछे हटना नहीं है। हम देश की रक्षा करते हैं, हम किसानों की रक्षा करते हैं, हम मजदूरों की रक्षा करते हैं, स्मॉल एंड मीडियम इंडस्ट्री की रक्षा करते हैं और देश की डेटा की रक्षा करते हैं। हम संविधान के लिए लड़ रहे हैं। कांग्रेस पार्टी के बब्बर शेरों कार्यकर्ताओं, आपको डरना नहीं है, एक कदम पीछे हटना नहीं है।
Babbar Sher, that's what Rahul Gandhi is now calling the workers of the Congress party and Uday Bhanu, who now have been arrested by the Delhi police. That continues to be one of our top focus stories.